That's a very important fact.
This is Buckle. 3.
That front pew seat, well, I might as well been born in it. 3 times a week, tell me who's got time for sitting. We live and breathe the golden rule. Hear your raised in Sunday school, but school's out for now. Boots on, head down. Good times waiting, let's go get 'em. They just wanna move, think I'm gonna let 'em. Nothing that'll keep me out of heaven. No, 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 no. Sometimes that bell gets a little too tight, and even good girls need a Saturday night. Mama don't care, Jesus don't mind. Make a little noise, find a little trouble, just enough to loosen up the bucket. All the boys getting loud at the bonfire down by the lake. All my girls roll about dressing up, they leave too early. And our skirts just a little too short, raise daddy's eyebrow just a little bit more. Relax, it's alright, just wanna see the other side of midnight. Good times waiting, let's go get 'em. They just wanna move and think I'm gonna let 'em. Nothing that'll keep me out of heaven. No, 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 no. Sometimes that bell gets a little too tight, and even good girls need a Saturday night. Mama don't care, Jesus don't mind. Make a little noise, find a little trouble, just enough to loosen up the bucket. Loosen up the bucket. Good times waiting yet to go get home. Hips wanna move, I think I'm gonna let it go.